Tell me what's going on, my friend. Let me start by getting the engine size. Is this a V6?
It's a 3.6.
Perfect. Tell me what's going on.
So I just drove the car yesterday, and then today I hopped in it, tried to start it. The brake was hard to press, but all the lights came on. It started clicking. The air conditioner came on, but it just won't start.
You said it starts clicking. Have you checked the battery?
No.
Do you know how old the battery is?
No. 6 years now, I guess. It was 2019.
Have you had the vehicle since new?
No.
So how long have you had the vehicle?
I've had the vehicle for 2 years myself. I got it.
But you haven't replaced the battery since you've had it. Is that correct?
Right.
So if the battery is original, it's certainly overdue, right? Batteries on average only last about 5 years, maybe 4 or 5 years. So you might want to start by checking and possibly replacing that battery.
Is the battery in the trunk or the hood?
Looks like it's in the rear.
Yeah, so it's under my. Guess I'll start with that. I was saying it was just literally just running yesterday.
Is it hot where you're at right now? Is it very humid or is the temperature really high
Yeah,
right now? So batteries and extreme temperature kills batteries. So extreme heat or cold weather will just kill your battery. So if it was marginal and all of a sudden you have a hot day and it was sitting in the sun for a few hours and it was just barely hanging on, that'll be the last of it. So it probably just fell on its face when you try to start it. So instead of maintaining at 12 volts, it basically just probably fell down to 6 volts, and that's why it's clicking. It's basically struggling to start.
And then with the brake being hard to press, does that have anything?
Well, you have brake assist when the engine's running, so you won't have brake assist because it's not running yet. So don't worry about that for the time being.
All right. So we'll start there. And then as far as getting a new battery, would I just go to AutoZone or something?
Yeah, absolutely. You can go to AutoZone, any parts store will have a battery for you. Batteries Plus, even a repair shop will likely have a battery in stock for you.
Sounds good. I'll start with that.
All right. Any other questions while we're on the phone?
Just one last question. As far as replacing a battery, is it just as simple? Because I've never replaced a battery in a Challenger, a battery in a trunk. I've only done regular cars. So with it being in a trunk, is it the same simple process? Disconnect the cables, plug and put the cables back on?
It is. Exactly. That is correct. If I happen to find a removal and replacement procedure for you for the battery, I'll send it over. How's that sound?
Perfect.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right, my friend. Good luck, and let us know if anything comes up.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.